Good morning guys, and to all mommies out there. As you can see, I'm picking some oregano leaves. We're going to make alternative medicine for cough and colds, and this plant we can see it everywhere or around the house. This plant is effective as well as the malunggay or moringa leaves that I made for cough and cold as well. But if you don't have malunggay leaves, this oregano is good for you as well. So I'm going to show you my proper preparation. So guys, I'm going to wash the oregano leaves, and I'm using the brush to clean it up because some dust and some small sand sticking on the back of oregano leaves. So after I washed it water from the tap, I also washed it using mineral water. I'm just making sure anyways. And then after that, I do it like that instead of putting on the hot water or on the top of the rice cooker, because when I'm doing like that, I can get more juice on it, And then after that, I use white cloth to make sure that there's no dirt or dust to mix on it, and also I use clear glass to see if there's something not good to mix on it, like dust or any dirt. So guys, after that, squeeze 2 pieces of calamansi in an oregano juice. As you can see, I use my hand to get the seeds, and I'm sorry. Now I'm using fork to squeeze the another calamansi, so you guys not think that it's look like disgusting using my hand, but don't worry, it's all clean now. My hand is clean, okay? And then mix it well. I also put 1 tablespoon of pure honey rather than put white sugar on it. We all know that honey is healthy than sugar, and it's all good combination anyways. The last time I combined malunggay and honey, it's not really good, no. So every time I make malunggay leaves for cough and cold, I use white sugar instead of honey. And after that, mommies, you can give it to your kids that has cough and cold. And also guys, mommies, if you're gonna ask how old is my baby, she's turning 1 year old next month. So if you guys think that this remedy is not good for them, don't worry, then I did not give them this remedy always, only if they have cough and cold, and it's good taste anyways. So I'm going to give you some idea about oregano. Based on my search, oregano is a plant. The leaf is used to make medicine. Oregano is used for respiratory tract disorders such as cough, asthma, croups, and bronchitis. It also used for gastrointestinal disorders such as heartburn and bloating. I also drink their leaf because I don't want to waste it, and also because I do breastfeeding. I was thinking it might, my baby can drink the remedy from me from breastfeeding.